Hey guys, I'm going to talk to you today about update on the BMW project. It's coming along. We're only 3 days behind right now. Anyway, update's coming. So, since we last talked to you guys, look at this. Auerbach has made the seat and has put extra resin on it so he can sand it and make it smoother. So he cut it out from this larger piece. And then, yeah, he's waiting for that to dry, which will probably take overnight. We'll see how that goes. But that is going to be mounted soon. You can see here, Alec is putting the forks together. This is going to need to be sanded because this still has machine marks on it where Auerbach made this. But Alec has put the front forks together, the top triple clamp, handlebars, so we can see the clutches going on. The throttle's already here. He's already got the cable run, which is great. It's begun. Final assembly has begun officially. Yeah, it should be interesting. Alec is over there. Let's go and see what Andy's doing. See if he's got some progress. Oh, he walked out. But Ty is final welding the frame. You can keep going, it's okay. You don't have to stop for us. How's it going?
You see the look on my face?
Say things.
No.
Is it close?
No.
That's it. How many more hours do you have?
It'll be done by tonight.
What that really means is he's saying it'll be a late night, but he'll get it finished. It's looking really good, dude. Like, man, it looks so close. I'm looking for a place where you haven't finished. Huh?
There's a lot.
It says there's a lot.
Working in this area.
Yeah. I see a few. This one up here, maybe. Actually, no.
The reflection gets you too.
Yeah, because the welds are so shiny. Dude. I don't see. See, this is what we do. We just stand around and look at things. I don't see where you haven't welded yet. Show me a spot besides that one.
This is the only major area.
That major joint. I mean, if you look in here close, the problem is, we're talking about, turn that bad boy off, would you? You're looking at how many pieces of tubing coming together. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's getting there. Tell us something. He doesn't even want to look at this thing. Tell us something. We did this so we didn't have to mic you up. All right. It's almost done, titanium. Most boring update ever. Sounds great. I'm gonna leave him alone. Sorry, keep going. You can make all the noise you want. It's fine. It's fine. I understand. We had to stick the camera in your face because people want to see what's going on. This is looking closer, which is nice. Chris Davis is doing a fantastic job. So what you guys can see is the protrusions here are where the telelever mounts for the front end. It's going to be tight, but it looks really good. I like the shape. I like how it's developing. All right, that's it for now. We're going to leave them alone so they can finish. They literally, I think that's it for them. Now, let's go in here and see if they're sanding anything. I think that it's all hands on deck. Nothing in here. All right, that's it. It's not much of an update, but we filmed it daily, right? But then you guys know, you can see that everyone in the shop, and that's like 8 people that are workshop based, are doing nothing but focusing on finishing sanding, final welding, and getting this thing together. It's really close to being together. I think we'll actually, obviously final assembly has begun, even though some of the parts aren't finished. It'll be done Thursday or Friday. It's supposed to be done Sunday. So we're only 3 days away. We'll get there. We're coming. Anyway, maybe we'll string this together another daily, but either way, let us know what you think. Thanks.